Alrighty, 3S with the Losi DB Pro. Now, of course, you do need to change out the pinion to avoid any problems, and holy, this thing's boogieing now. Yeah, alright. Once you go 3S, I don't think you'll ever use 2S again. This thing boogies. Very, very good. I did have my tires come unglued on that 2S run. Oh, that was nasty. Did I hear something snap? Was everything all right? No, we're good. We're good. But I did forget to bring glue or a spare set of tires. So if the other two come unglued, we're in a bit of trouble. But oh man, this thing, plenty of power. Very, very good. And still able to handle and hook up really well. I'm impressed. Very impressed. But I'm pretty sure most people will run this on 3S. 2S, it's alright. 3S is where it's at though. I mean, Jesus. Yeah. Alright. That's a much better. Thank you. This thing goes. On 3S, this thing goes. Yes. This is awesome. Look at it. Oh. This thing is wicked fun. Plenty of authority in the air as well. Just so composed, so well balanced. Well done. This is nice. This is just a nice car to drive, and man, this thing on a racetrack would absolutely dominate. It feels so dialed in. That thing's sick. It flies through the SOL. Alright, let's do some big sends. Now that we've got a little bit more power up our sleeve, I'm curious how it's going to handle this jump here. Oh, kind of got caught up on the entry of the jump there. I don't know what happened. Slowed right down. Alright, here we go. Man, I don't want to do too many of these. This car is really not meant to be sent this high. This is a 10 scale after all. But it's taking it in its stride. Like it's doing really well. And landing on its feet. How good is this thing? Alright, let's go around here again, because I was really enjoying my time here. Oops! Yesterday. And yes, this is a different day to be running on 3S. But I was having a good time here yesterday running this thing. God, it's got so much speed. Not much of a turning circle there in that part of the track. Man, this thing drives so well. Like, it's going to be hard for it to convey on camera, I think. But it's so well balanced, it's so composed. Like, I could do laps around here forever. It's just such a nice little car to drive. Absolutely awesome little machine. If you're thinking about getting one of these, man, I don't know, I wouldn't hesitate too much. This thing goes good. drives good, handles good. Alright, that's going to wrap it up for this video. Hopefully you guys enjoyed it. I'm absolutely loving driving this thing around. I think it's an absolute weapon for a 1/10 scale. The way it handles, the way it drives, it's just so nice to drive. I actually want to get more 3S batteries. You know, might even get another one of these Spectrum batteries just so that I can keep running this thing for more than one battery pack, because it is so fun, so good. Stay tuned for more on this one. I'll be doing another video where I'll be talking a little bit more in depth about the smart technology of the car and the telemetry that you'll get back on your radio regarding all this. So if you haven't subscribed already, please do, and don't forget to check out the video description for more information on the car, as well as links to my social media pages. I thank you all very much for watching, and I'll be speaking to you all next time.